Y'all see I'm in the truck, I'm prepped. I told y'all I was gonna give y'all a ride along video. We ain't gonna do too much talking cause I got to go get this insurance card first. So yeah. We off. I forgot this don't even work. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. Gotta clean my window. I just have to look back. Let me take this off. Oh yeah, but I got cut, so I don't gotta worry about nothing. Okay, let me stop talking. Let go. Oh, I got snapped. Y'all already know what's going on, man. Told y'all to give y'all that ride along. I told y'all. It's hard to hold up the camera. I need like a GoPro and stuff, so when I get all of that, bro, I'm gonna have different views, angles, everything. Y'all, she about to hit the street. The street. The street. Give me a new clutch disc and stuff, and a bearing, all that stuff. Oh, we out of here. We legal, y'all. That's what doing it now, thing. Hey, I thought it was gonna be hot. Like, it's hotter than my Camaro than this, and this number metal. I got the windows down, air coming in. It actually really cool. This is crazy. Like, this real crazy. Now, I'm already going 50. Tripping. Gotta fix these mirrors though. Hey, this thing got some up and up, boy. I know once I get this truck right, like, you know, update the stuff. Damn, I hope y'all can see me. Once I like update the stuff, like get my clutch, get my bearings, all that, bro, 9 times out of 10, bro, it's gonna be faster than my Camaro. Oh. Yeah, like it's I know it's gonna be faster than my Camaro. It is faster than my Camaro. To turn it because I forgot to put the block in here. Hey y'all, this thing right. Alright, about to go watch this thing now. Video, but for my new subscribers, bro, this is like one of the cars I had picked up along with an 83 Camaro. So the channel really about 83, but I'm gonna put this on the channel too because I'm actually gonna do a lot for this. But for right now, I just need it as like my work truck. And you know, then okay, so after I get just the simple stuff done for this, hold on. But after I get the simple stuff done for this, I'm gonna just start getting parts and getting pieces for the 83. And this is Z28. So after I start getting everything for that, you know, get that car running and complete, then that's when I'm gonna start working on this. I ain't gonna say too much, because like I said, bro, it's like, I don't know. I gotta just stop talking. But other than that, man, y'all gotta stay tuned. If y'all ain't subscribed, please subscribe, because this is just the beginning. I got a whole playlist on the truck. When I got it, it wasn't doing nothing. I used to turn the key over and all that stuff, bro. It wasn't doing nothing. Now I'm on the road, you feel me? So, I gotta get this stuff fixed. Let's go! I'm freaking happy, bro. I'm hella happy. Like, I'm too freaking happy. Like, I can cap, you feel me? Got a truck old. Everybody don't got the old schools. Okay, y'all, so just got here. That thing done. Success. I drove it, you feel me? Legally. Yeah. It's a success. Oh, hold on. That's a good thumbnail. Yes, sir.